In this video, I'll show you how to enable language translation option on Facebook posts. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. This is our profile, right? Click on this. Click on the settings and privacy. Click on the settings, right? Wait for it to load up. Once it has opened up right now, you're going to just scroll down gradually. You're going to see this language and region, right? From this preference option, click on it. So yeah, you can see language that you'd like to have posts translated into. You can see English, right? It's currently English. So this is basically how you can enable the language translation option on your Facebook posts, right? If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.